I'm surprised how many don't know about this little trick, so I thought I need to make a video in order to improve the world. Choose your weapon and start mashing it up. This works with eyeshadow as well as press powder and similar products. Just continue mashing it up until it's a fine powder. Mash it a little bit more. Yeah. And then it's time to add alcohol to it. You can use rubbing alcohol or medical alcohol if you can get hold of that. I just use vodka because that's more fun. Mix it until the alcohol is properly mixed with the powder. Try not to add too much alcohol, but not too little either. Looks just like the right amount. Could be wise to clean up your little container right now as well. And as you see, this is a little bit too wet to press right now, so I'll leave it to sit for about half an hour. Half an hour later, and I'm going to use a coin inside of a cotton cloth to simply just press it down. The eyeshadow has now been drying up a little bit. It shouldn't be totally dry, but it shouldn't be wet either. Just a little bit moist. Just press until it looks pretty, and then you're done and you saved yourself your makeup, saved yourself some money, and well, saved yourself some tears, maybe. I hope you found this helpful. Feel free to subscribe if you did. And well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you around soon. Bye.